Lay, hello. You hear me over here? Shut the fuck up. Hold on, wait. Pardon myself real quick. I swear to God, I ain't trying to be on that. Shut the fuck up. Hey, hold on. Yo. Man, shut the fuck up. Hold on. Yo. Oh, we only got one? You want me to come over and slap? You remember what that boy said to you in the gym? Listen to y'all. I swear to God, I need all of y'all to
shut the
top of y'all motherfucking lungs. James on the count of 3, all right? 1, 2, 3. James! Are you ready now?
Oh yeah, funny business for sure.
Fuck a nigga me, man. Fuck a nigga me, come on, man.
Fuck a nigga me. Like, yeah. I ain't wanna play it. Hey, on my mama, nigga, I went 224, nigga, long live my twin, nigga. Fuck y'all going, man. I ain't even trying to play with y'all niggas. Hey, step your game up. Hey,
that bitch so boring.
Hey, a fuck nigga gotta step his game up. He trying to fuck with me, you feel me? I'm really on that for real, nigga. And I'm in that mode, you feel me?
Take that shot though. Yes, sir.
Hey, I appreciate the fuck out all y'all. I swear to God, nigga, I love the fuck out y'all. But listen though, I'm finna get active. Y'all know what type of time I'm on. What it is, you is your boy MKKG, man. I gotta find your match, man. I got my females over here. I got my males over here. You feel me? You feel me? I ain't fuck like this time. You feel me? Yeah. And that's how we gonna play this shit, man. I got a big ass surprise, man. Hey, that my members over here finna bring to me though, man. My members over here finna bring some shit to me, bro. Hey, bring that shit over here to me. You feel me, twin? Hey, look though. Hey, twin, come here. While they bringing that to me though, let me introduce my co-host to y'all, man. You feel me?
Hey, y'all know it's your boy Also Elevator. Y'all know it's a show every time I'm in the show for show. You feel me? And we finna turn this video up, bro. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, bro. We finna go crazy.
Hold on, wait. Before I even introduce my other co-host, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Before I slap the shit out you. Right now, you right there watching.
Feel me? Slap we jumping shit. No cap.
It's big motherfucking Lauren. You already know who the fuck it is. Yeah, shot with the Pink Factory. Y'all already know what the fuck it is. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Jewelers, man. Yeah. This shit bigger than life. Don't think twice about this shit. Hold it. You feel me?
Oh yeah.
Yo, we gonna shine jewelers, man.
Shine jewelers, me, twin. Hey, look. Hey, look. You see this? Hold on, my cameraman. You see this on some personal shit. You feel me?
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
With the bus lock, man.
You feel me?
With the bus lock, man.
For sure that. Long little kid, nigga.
If you know, you know, man.
Yeah, for sure.
224. You
Sit on the floor, man.
you know. Hey, somebody come open this for me.
I got you. Hold on.
Everybody jump.
Yes,
Okay, hold on. Jump.
Hey, what you say? Better keep up with I'm to my chain today. I'm a fuck nigga on the phone.
I bet you won't jump.
Hey, twin. Hey, where my twin at? You know I need that dog shit, twin. Come on, man. Stop fucking with me, man. First male, I ain't gonna lie. I need my first male to turn me up. Turn me up real quick.
Do it.
Introduce yourself.
Lil Nine, ITZZ.NINE. Go follow me on the ground. Let's turn up.
How you feeling?
Like I'm saying, she bad as fuck, you know. Love that. Keep going, come on. I love the fit. She bad. Turn up. I'm gonna tell you who I want though. Who you want? I want this right here. You gonna stay right here. Just like this. Turn up.
Find
your match. That's sticky right there. Hold on, wait. Is you about to accept or decline though? Hold on, wait. The pressure's on you right now. Yeah, take a shot of that.
Let me see something.
That's sticky. Hey, listen. Because if you know what I know, that's been her match for the past 3-4 videos. Look how she feeling right now, though. She don't even know.
You got tattoos?
You got 5 seconds. How you about to play? 5,
Okay.
4, 3.
Respectfully, I'm gonna have to decline.
Listen, my boy. That shit's sticky, right? When it's like that, but it's always a plan B, though. It's always a plan B. Back on me. Come back here with me. Okay, listen. Any of my beautiful females in this line right here feeling my boy? Anybody feeling him, though? Going once. Hold on, wait. Going twice. Hold on, wait. What happened? Pick somebody for me.
Huh?
Pick somebody for me.
Okay.
Wait, female in a nigga.
I'll pick you.
Hey, listen. Hold on, wait. I need y'all to do me a personal favor.
Pick somebody else. I want to come to me.
No. She already picked. Listen.
Too late.
She already didn't pick you.
Okay.
All right, listen. But I need y'all to do me a big favor and make sure y'all go follow her, right? Because she said some funny shit to where she couldn't be in the chat, right? Because of her followers, right?
My Instagram is so booty.
Okay, so make sure y'all go follow her. You feel me? Okay, boom.
Should I say it? I don't even know my Instagram, but my name is Kaji, y'all.
I'm going to put your Instagram in there, though. You straight. I'm going to put that together. Like,
Oh.
let's do it.
Okay. Why you had to pick me, twin?
Matter of fact, Lauren, you help her find her match.
Yeah, come on, twin.
Oh no. I'm gonna help you. Okay, what you like?
I mean, like,
You like dark skin, light skin? We got varieties of niggas.
I mean,
no hair.
We got dreadhead.
I like your dreadhead.
Them dreadhead do it the best.
Yeah?
Nah, y'all got me fucked up. I ain't got no damn dread.
I ain't talking about you.
I'm just saying though.
Nope. I'm just playing. Yeah, nope. I fuck with you, twin.
What's up?
So you accept me or no?
Yeah, what's up, bro? So.
What you talking about?
My dog is self. That's what I'm saying. We finding love in here. So y'all go over there to the sideline over there. You feel me? Hey, listen. Make sure you keep that on tight. Make sure both of y'all keep that on tight because somebody might come steal you. You feel me? Let's do it. Also,
Let's do it.
I need you to find me a guy.
Find me a guy. Oh, okay. The guy I want right here. The guy. I don't know y'all numbers, but we gonna pick. Oh, Mr. Cool Guy. My nigga too fly. You feel me?
That boy went Balenciaga on fuck, nigga. You feel me? That boy went Balenciaga on fuck, niggas. You feel me? Introduce yourself to them folks.
Z2 Smooth, you know, one of them ones. Zion him with 2 M's, that one and only.
Say that. Let's find your match. Also,
Hey, you got varieties. I'm talking about what you want. Brown
I got
skin,
variety.
light skin. You feel me? Tall, short.
how you want to
Big
play
booty,
that?
little booty.
Ain't nobody in here.
Let's go right
You want to
here.
play? What you going down here?
Okay,
You
let's
like
go
something? I
right
see you looking at something. Which one you like? Which one you like?
We gonna stay right here.
You want her? Hold on,
What's up with
stop
you?
right here.
I ain't lying, I've been looking at you all night.
So you know what that means? That might mean something. So hold on, wait. My fault. Ain't no shit like that. Listen, that might mean something though, cause she said she been looking at you all night.
Here they tell you.
So let me tell you something. You feeling my boy? That's your match.
I'm feeling him. I don't know if he's my match, but I'm feeling him.
But you gotta confirm it though, cause in order for y'all to step off this floor together, that gotta be your match. You feel me?
For now, I say he's my match.
Okay then, let's do it. You one of the motion boys then, cause you go ahead and walk her off the floor, cause y'all. Oh, you feel me? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. These boys finding matches in here. Y'all boy better walk home with something. There's some females going now. Let's do it.
All right, the girl I'm a pig. Let's see. Miss Blonde Head.
Yeah.
Okay, who you gonna pick?
If you accept, you gotta go pick a nigga too.
Introduce your Instagram. What your Instagram is?
My name is Demaya Vincent.
Say it a little louder.
My name is Demaya Vincent. Yada by Maya. I also do tats, so hit me up.
Girl, look. You
Are you
Come on.
okay?
Find your match.
Okay.
Find your match. Which nigga you been feeling in here?
I gotta stand in the line.
Which nigga you been feeling in
Can
here?
I feel your stomach?
Not
Can I?
stomach, not the stomach.
I can feel it.
Go ahead.
Okay, hello. You know I like yours. You know I love yours. Hello.
Let me goddamn eat me some Why ain't in the camera, twin? Why ain't in the camera?
Move your arms. What you doing? Oh, okay.
You feel me?
Man, you want to get beat down or what?
Okay. I found my match.
That's your match? Oh.
You know where we at with it?
Where you take
Crib.
Say less, hold it down. I see you on the flip side. No cap. Yes, sir, Ski.
Niggas said the bigger the better. I stand it.
Ah, look up, look up. Them boys say the bigger the better. It's a female go? It's a nigga? Turn me up. Introduce yourself to them boys.
Hey man, it's your boy QC in the building, boy. It's your boy Juwan QC. Y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Instagram, same shit. Juwan QC.
Alright, say less. Let's find your match. Who your match?
Okay. You can go down the line. Can I get 360? Go camera. Okay.
The camera caught that?
Let me get 360.
Hold on, wait. You keep saying you want to you like a fat ass.
I like asses, bro. I like fat asses, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. 360 for the camera.
My fault, my fault.
What? Turn around. Shit, I see it anyway. What's your name?
Trinity.
Who?
Trinity.
Trinity. What's your name?
Naria.
What's your name?
Kiki.
Alicia. Elijah.
Hey, I'm going right here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see that thing. Yeah. Hey, she got some little cheeks on her, bro. I'm going with her. Okay, I'll go with her.
All right, boom.
So what you doing?
So how you feeling? Are you accepting or declining?
What's up?
I'm a decline.
Oh, man.
I really like
Twin.
Okay.
Hold on. Everybody be quiet for me. All right, boom. Is there any females in this line right now that's feeling my boy? Yeah.
Behind me, bro.
You about to sell?
Oh, wait, no.
Why you talking for? Why you talking?
My boy got hoes.
Any females in this line decline? You feel me? Feeling my boy right now? Going once?
Man, I want the host.
Going twice? Oh shit! He didn't double back. All right, boom. We gonna try this one more time.
What's up?
Hey, listen. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna tell you 100%. If you don't get accepted this time, your ass is away. All right, listen, boom. Let me put the phone in your hand. How you feeling? You got the Casamigos, the Migos, make a hoe get lit.
I should have been top P. Okay.
What?
Number one, off the rim.
No. I'm not a second P.
He didn't know he could
I ain't know you was available, to be honest.
Yeah, you feel me?
Decline.
Damn, twin. Come on. On down the road. Hey, find me a female that's gonna turn me up.
She twerking this shit.
Listen.
Okay.
Hey, listen, hold on, wait. I know somebody who been ready to go. They've been pressing me.
Who been pressing you to go?
Come on. Hey, listen.
What's your name?
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro.
Hey, bro.
Don't make me come to your spot right now and slap the shit out you. I don't want to do that.
Hey, bro. Yes, I've been pressing his ass because it's been late.
Introduce yourself.
Bro, my name is Foreign Dot Money. Customize this fit. I customize old girl fit over there too. So get at me. I customize her fit too.
Yeah. So
make sure you get at me.
Let's do it.
All right, we finna go through the line.
How you feeling right here?
Man, them real.
Yeah. You like that?
You bought them because they name brand. They ugly. Next.
Damn.
Kezzy.
You gotta go though, twin. Why you got 9
Aw,
on your ass?
you look like a little alien.
I ain't never seen nobody.
I fuck with this. This shit hard. You a little sassy. I like it. Yeah, but the black Air Force is throwing me off, bro. You kind of dangerous. Told you I
That's a question.
Go ahead.
Uh-huh.
Why you got 9 on your ass? No, I'm just asking.
Juice WRLD. First of all, R.I.P. Juice WRLD. He was one of my favorite artists, and he was all about 999. That was prosperity, peace, and life, all that. So anybody who got questions.
Nah, you sold your soul for sure though. But we ain't gonna
What the fuck is going on in this world right now? Hold on, wait. Shh. Everybody come.
Hey.
My fault.
Hey.
My fault.
No. Doesn't matter.
9 upside down is 666.
Bruh, shut up. No, shut up. Oh, so, shut up.
Okay.
You sassy as hell. Leave me alone. Yeah, you look up here looking like some burnt ass cotton candy. Leave me alone.
Short as hell, you
Leave
ugly
me
head, you
alone.
braless now.
Bitch, you got a dad bod. You don't got no motherfucking building muscles with this muscle ass shirt on.
Mama, your ass like a squirrel, on God.
Lace this up. Lace this up.
Oatmeal pie stomach ass. On my mama, your ass. You got fake Yeezys on, my mama. Swallow these ass. I said it. T-Move. Hey, what's that? T-Move. 809. Big Bay 8. She paid 808 for a chain on my mama.
What the fuck? They pull up her chain on Amazon. What the fuck is going on? All the way. Okay, boom. All the way.
$8 for a chain. It said, KG, give me a chain. KG, give me a chain. You got one.
Zoom in on it.
Hey, I got a dog for you. Fuck it. All the way. Everybody chill. Who your match is?
First of all, zoom in on that.
Zoom in on
I
that.
I don't burn my ribs.
Hold on.
Come on.
No. Chill.
I bet you want to take them off.
Really,
I bet you want to take them off.
I bet you want to take that off. I bet you want to take that off.
Chill.
Fat boy.
Come on.
Fat boy.
Take them
Fat
off.
boy.
Take them
Fat
off.
boy.
Take them off. I bet them bitches don't say
This
Adidas.
shit long.
I bet them bitches don't say Adidas.
Can we move this shit along?
bet
You
you
doing too fucking much. You doing too much. Take your ass back. Cover that shit up. Nigga,
Who your match is?
cover that shit up.
Who your match is?
Cover that shit up.
Who your match is?
The fuck?
Hey, I bet them bitches don't say Adidas though.
That's all I got to say. The fuck? The fuck? That's all I got to say.
Come on.
The fuck?
Come on. Who your match is? That way, speed this up. Who your match is?
Maybe break my nail.
What you like? Dark skin, dreadhead.
We was going in.
No.
Hey, crusty ass lips with your crusty ass lips.
Come on. We gotta move on.
Come on. Yeah, time restricted.
That bitch built like a box of Captain Crunch.
Come on.
Fuck. Oh, I got one.
Who your match is? Him? Okay, hold on, wait. Let's go up to my boy then. How you feeling? Do you accept or decline?
I ain't gonna cap.
It's because of the change.
I can't even do it.
Why you can't do it?
Huh? They just... You seen them arguing just now?
Yeah,
I didn't say nothing, bro. I didn't even pull it. That was in my phone.
Hold on, wait. Shh.
Man, what's going on?
What's going on?
That ass or what?
Gonna do game?
Hold on, wait.
Why you hating on me like that?
What you gonna do, brother, man?
Get in line.
I ain't gonna lie to
Hold on, wait.
She shake that
Hold on, wait.
motherfucker.
You can't do it? Okay, boom. Yo, hold on, wait. All y'all sit in line. Hold on, wait. Kezo, come here. Kezo, come here. Huh?
They pulled up your team.
Stand on that.
Bro, y'all.
Stand on that.
He said he want to talk to me after the video. I said no. You said no. Stand on that shit. Stand on that shit, bro.
I'm trying to talk to her about her attitude. She gotta fix it.
Twin, she ain't got no match, son. She ain't got no match. Turn around. This some ratchet ass shit. You feel me? Hey, look, my last shit was some ratchet ass shit. This shit is getting crazy. This shit is insane right now. Hold on, wait. All right, boom. Okay. We good. You good. Hey, hold on, wait. Hey, excuse me. Hold on, wait. No. lie. These folks just pulled this girl chain up on the fucking website and the shit say, hey, hold on, wait. Nobody don't say shit. These girls they just pulled the girl chain up. The chain say fucking $10. What the fuck is going on? Since I want to do that, a female about to go next. Yeah, you go. Introduce yourself to you folks.
My name is Inaja. My Instagram is The Real Inaja, and if you don't know how to spell it, it's ENIJA.
And it's gonna be right there.
Just that simple in the motherfucking link. You feel me?
Yeah. You feel me?
So yeah.
So find your match for me.
Okay, let's find my match. Let's see. My dog.
Yo.
That's my homie. You feel me? This my homie, yeah. Big dog, big homie.
I did not say that. I didn't say that. I love you. I'm a Virgo. What that mean though? Why you asking signs though? What that mean?
That's what that mean. That's what that mean. He said
Okay.
what that mean.
So what he is?
He's a big-headed ass bitch.
What you say you is?
Scorpios, I fuck with Scorpios. He humble as a bitch. I'm not gonna lie.
That's your match?
Scorpios are cool.
That's your match?
Wait.
Why you hug him?
Be patient.
You got him feeling smarter. You
I
hugging
already
him?
know what this nigga is. He's a Sagittarius and they toxic as fuck. What's your sign?
I'm a Leo.
Oh, fuck no. You about to go.
Hold on, wait. Just chill.
Leo.
Just chill. Y'all got your own goal.
He's a Leo, my nigga. Fuck no.
Okay, boom, let's find your match.
Okay, so my match out the group is going to be
2, 1. Oh, shit. Okay, boom. Okay, the Scorpio is your match. Boom. Let's see the Scorpio itself. Do you accept? I'll go by signs. Hold on, wait. Do you accept or decline? What's going on?
So you know damn well she shouldn't have brought her ass here with no fat ass sweatpants.
You wrong as fuck!
You better take your ass on back in that line. You know that shit, man. Ain't no shit like that. I'm just trying.
You accept?
Nah, that shit.
Listen, I don't even give a fuck about him saying something about my sweatpants. This way, every day I'm gonna be comfortable as a bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all niggas. I don't come out here to impress none of y'all
That's
niggas.
100%.
I'm gonna be comfortable as a bitch.
Okay, boom. Let's come back here. Ain't no shit like that. Come back here. Boom. Do any of y'all boys in this line right now? Going once? Fuck all these niggas out here, you feel me? Yeah, and that's the thing. Yeah. Get your ass out of here. Who you think? Yes, sir. That's what I was thinking. Spice this shit up, bro. We need spice.
Come get this,
We need
man.
spice.
Look it up.
Come get this. Come get this. Damn, you too dizzy. Come on.
All right, talk shit. Everybody, I need a 360. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, real.
That way.
360.
Can I be the honest?
One by one. Yeah. Go ahead.
You might want to go around and look. Come on. For the back.
Bitch, I'm drunk in hell. That humble player.
Now you feel good. So one of the females they have looking super attracted to you right now. Which one?
Who know how to ride?
Oh shit. She looked up to him. Cricket.
Who know how to ride?
Hold on, wait. Cricket. I hear cricket. Green.
Uh-oh, green.
You about to try green? Come on, let's see.
You been trying to find somebody right at me all night.
Hey, shit, I ain't trying to do too much work right now. You feel me? Green motherfucking jiggle. What's up, goddamn?
Turn my boy up.
You know what I'm saying? What time it is?
Turn my boy up.
On time shit. Oh, we on. You come going for a steal.
Oh shit. Come on, hold on, wait. Come for a steal.
Come here, new back.
Yo, shit. Who your match was?
Where your match at?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Hey,
Remember, let's
who
go
your
to your
match
match.
was? Where the match at? Why you scared? You was over there scared. Why you ain't confident? You supposed to be confident. No, man. No. You supposed to be confident. Why you ain't started by your match? So you gonna let him take your road to be
Hold on. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, boom. This was your match, right?
Put my pants up, you know what I'm saying?
You think so?
No. That was my match.
Okay, boom. This was your match. He's trying to steal you from Are you trying to go with him? You going to get this? You about to stay home? You want to get this?
I just want to get dizzy, though.
You about to go? Oh!
Every time, stop playing with him.
The fuck is going on here? Hold on, wait. Put the camera on him. Twin, hold on, wait. We gotta go chop it up with you. Hold on, wait. You gonna let him nigga out there? No, wait. Hold on. Handshake on. Slime by my beat. Don't slime by my beat. Come here. Go get your beat back. I'm sliding by my beat. Go get your beat back. Fuck that. I'm gonna get my beat back. So, I know you got emotion, right? I know he got that emotion, though. Fuck out, let him get my beat back. I'm get my beat back. Yeah, bitch ain't shit, yeah. That's how that shit be.
All right.
Let's do it. Who you picking?
Picking Miss Girl right here. In the orange. Yeah. Introduce yourself, girl. It's Naria, but y'all can follow me on Instagram at Naria with 3A's.x, okay? So I don't know what the fuck I want to do. I don't know if I want to steal somebody in the crowd, somebody, I don't know. Steal somebody, man. You think why you want me to steal somebody? It is spicy. Or there's people in the crowd. Go get somebody out of the crowd. Why you want me to get somebody killed?
That's a lot of shit. You about to steal?
I don't know. I might go in the crowd on some. You about
to go in the crowd, or you about to? You don't like this lineup?
No, it's cool though. But
come on, go in the crowd. Let's go. Come on, I'm coming with you.
Why you just? It's just on some slight shit. I know some slight shit.
Hey, hold on, wait. Get out of the way. Everybody separate out. Hold on, wait. I'm diamonds busting right there too. Hold on now. Don't shoot. Oh shit. Hold on, wait. If I ain't mistaken. Hold on, wait. If I'm mistaken, you can do this. Hold on, wait. If I'm mistaken, Hey, listen, come here. Where my mic at? Listen, twin, you one of my members for Shursky. Are you accepting or declining that? Let me know, personally.
Accepting.
Okay, hold on, wait. Did y'all plan this? Why the fuck y'all got on the same shit? Why the fuck they got on the same shit? They was texting before they came to this motherfucker. Come on. Twin, introduce yourself. I might get this shit out.
PFK_Scooter on the ground.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Find your match. Hold on. Find your match. It's 4 females in the line right now. How you feeling, bro?
Just 4?
How many do you see right here? Do you see any more?
Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
You want to pick on this side?
Back up. Move around, twin.
You want to
Move around. I see 5 females.
Okay. It really is 5 females.
I really do see 5 females, twin. You feel me?
My co-host, I think she said, you feel me? She not no second option.
Just chill though. Just chill. I ain't never said she was a second option. That's why I ain't never thought about the other 4.
I'm just making sure
That's why I ain't never thought about the other 4.
Oh, I like that. Oh, that's how you was coming.
No, y'all. You feel me?
Well, I'm gonna see how she coming.
Fuck it.
Boom. I'm gonna put the mic in your hand again. Let me know. She's smacking on that gun like no. I stamp it. How you feeling?
360.
360?
Let me see the bottom of the 4 to see if they ran through or not. Okay. You cute.
You sexy.
Bomber decline. You cute though, okay.
So what's the catch to it, twin? What's the catch?
Let's see. Everybody, hold on. Boom, my boy just got declined. Any of y'all females who got declined? Any of my females in the line right now feeling my boy? Is you feeling my boy right here? You come back in line. Is you feeling him? Let me know something. Do a 360 ball. Nah, ain't none of y'all feeling him?
Hold it down, my boy. You know, that shit.
She said let her see.
Huh? Oh, 1, 2?
I
That
need
is,
a 1, 2, turn around.
hit the 364.
Maybe. I'm fucking
Yeah, I
with
know.
it.
You fucking with it? Yeah? Yeah, that's your match? For sure, get up out of here. You hell no, I decline. How the fuck you decline and you ain't got...
So I'm out of here.
All right, boom. You get out of there. All right, listen. Hold away.
I can't steal, though.
Come. What's so crazy about you, though? You had stepped up to him, right? He declined your ass. You know you won't pay. What's trusty?
Oh, that's not why I was on the show anyway.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you ain't got to have no mask. But your ass most definitely over there, though.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna go with her. Miss Cutie.
My motherfucking self is Trinity Alea. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Let's just get into this shit, because I'm already ready. Let's go.
Okay, here you go, girl.
Let's go. Excuse me.
My fault. I'm in Memphis, but I'm down here.
Y'all, this my man. Really Lulu screaming out my man.
Okay. Hold on, wait. Okay, boom.
We got
How
that.
you feeling? How you feeling? Hold on, wait. Let him.
We got that tall shit right
You
here.
do stallions, you climb trees.
I climb trees.
Turn around, she got them on, them two on. You feel me?
Can I slap that motherfucker?
Oh shit! Hold on, wait. Make sure the camera catch that. Oh my god, he's slapping them up.
Hey.
That's your match.
Look, I want to have fun, so shit, I want to stay in the game.
So you declining?
I want to stay in the game.
Oh my god.
With them type shit? Cool. Hey, look.
But listen though,
Do
what's
your
so
best,
peep about
homie.
this? Listen though, what's so peep about this shit though? One of these other niggas in here might be feeling you, so we about to see. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Any of y'all boy right here, boom. My fault. Boom. Any of y'all boy right here feeling my girl? You feel me? Going once, going twice. So yeah, you out. Yeah, but it's cool. Make sure you stay beautiful, stay strong. You feel me? Yeah.
All right, it's time for me to pick a motherfucking girl. I'm gonna pick Sexy Orange in this bitch.
Hello.
Introduce your Instagram. Introduce yourself.
You know, it's your girl Lola B. Yeah, we got Jazzy B on the meltdown. You see what lace. Yeah, and we got Aisha on my motherfucking makeup. And you know, you need a chef or a caterer, hit up Lola's Kitchen. You know what the fuck going on. What I'm doing. Follow me.
Who our match is?
Nah, you need to find out about your match. Let's see what your match is. Come on. Go ahead. Who you feeling?
No.
She like a freak. See how she walking?
She just walk like
You in the game?
Yeah.
Heard about you.
What the?
I gotta pick a line. You already told me about this shit. I don't do all that.
Who you picking?
Do I gotta pick in the lineup?
You don't. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do, baby.
Alright.
mama.
My girl
Think
said
like
he-
that.
Bet. Shut the fuck up.
Oh wait. But that's what we the fuck we ain't doing though. Listen, I promise you about to pick a nigga.
I gotta pick a nigga.
Wait, hold on. Why she can't pick a girl?
You get what I'm saying? Why-
Listen. Hold on, wait. You can pick a female, but you gonna pick a nigga too.
Oh, so I gotta pick a nigga and a bitch?
Yes, if you gonna do it like that. You feel me?
Bet. Yeah. Do it. All right. Where the camera at? Come on. Quiet on the motherfucking set.
Everybody shut up. I wanna see who the fuck this nigga finna be. Cause he finna have a marvelous night.
On my mama, a great night. Fuck you talking about?
So where he at?
I got Nail. Yeah. Fuck
Come
you
on,
talking
so where the
about?
nigga at? Come on. Who you finding? Who?
I ain't gonna count. I had a conversation with my bitch. She want the host.
Who the host? Who the fuck the host is? Also.
No.
Also perfect.
No. So you gotta step with it.
How the fuck they hit me with this again, twin?
You gonna decline? That's how you bumming, bro? Not you declining us.
Where you about to decline?
Please decline. Let me see. Just say it.
Why the fuck they always put me in these sticky ass situations?
Tell them whole nah, man.
Why the fuck they always put me in sticky?
You just said I could pick any nigga.
What part of the game?
Let me see. You scared? You scared?
Huh?
You scared? You can take your ass. You scared?
What the fuck is going on here? Hold on, wait. Let me get my motherfucking thoughts together. Why the fuck y'all pressing me like that? Hold on.
Don't get scared now.
Huh?
Take it. Scared? Take it, nigga.
That's you.
Both of them.
Take him. Just snatch him. Just snatch him up. Snatch him up. Hey, snatch him up. Snatch him up. If y'all want him, snatch him up. Snatch him up. Snatch him up.
Hold on, twin.
What you gonna do, man? Just come on.
If it's a no, just say
Hold on, wait.
We can take
Y'all gotta snatch him up.
Y'all can take rejection.
Yeah, we can.
Two of them.
We be fucking raw every time.
Who this from? I don't know where they got no hot seat on me like that, twin. What you gonna do?
We finna go wild. Oh God. So what's happening? You reject us? They on our ass. They on our ass.
You gotta hurry up and do it. Yes.
10, 9, 8.
Y'all trying to give me a timer?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm gonna have to decline.
Okay.
But since you ready to go, turn me up, my boy.
I wasn't even ready, but look, hey, listen. Hey, B_dummy with 2 eyes. Let's see what the fuck going on with the vibes is.
You feeling when you match her, you about to steal. Hold on, come back here.
She already looked, she scrunched her face up. I know she gonna decline. Let me see what's going on in the crowd then. Let me see what's up.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling drunk as hell because you want to take all them shots.
Yeah,
it's your fault, gang. Let me see what's going on. I'm gonna go in the crowd. I'm gonna go in the crowd. Fuck it. I'm gonna go in the crowd. Damn, I know she gonna. Damn, you fine as hell. What's your name?
Come here.
I might not pick her though, gang. I want to know her name.
What her name is?
What's your name?
What your name is?
You can tell me. I ain't gonna bite.
What the fuck is your name?
Don't do that.
What's your name?
My name's Tiana.
Okay, you look real good, Tiana. Real bad. That's what your shirt say? Okay then. Hold on, let me see. Let me see, man. Big dummy over here. Okay, I like orange pants. Okay, yeah, she's valid. No? Don't like her? What you think, PG?
What you think?
No, gang. Let me see. Should I go for the steal? Should I go for your steal? Alright, let me see some. Hold on, let me see some. Who you with?
You with somebody?
Where he at? I gotta see what's going on.
Who you with? If he ain't right there, go ahead. Hey, listen. If he ain't right there.
No, bruh. Like, I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, look, come here.
I think I like her, gang.
You like her?
She fun, cuz.
Hey, listen. What's so crazy is she didn't want to be in the video. She ended up in the video anyway. Come here. You about to accept my boy or decline my boy? Check out my boy drip. My boy went LV Forces now. Never seen him. I'm talking about. You feel me? Hold on.
You ain't never seen them, man.
All right, boom. How you feeling?
I got it on me. I got that dog shit on me.
Hold on, wait. Yo. How you feeling? How you feeling?
And I know people too.
He got that money on.
You know my what?
Hold on, no. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Shh. How you feeling? Yes or no?
I might have to decline.
Damn. Why you decline? My boy, come on.
Damn.
It's so crazy. Cause you only got 2 matches. There was only 2 people in the line left.
I know they on demons, so I ain't even gonna try. Like,
Yeah, we gonna see. We still gonna see though. We still gonna see.
Anybody wanna steal me?
Listen,
wanna steal Big Dummy?
y'all feeling my boy Big Dummy? Y'all feeling my boy Big
Don't
Dummy?
make me take a shot, please.
You feeling him? Oh, take a shot?
No, you said yeah.
Yeah, actually, you feeling him?
Take that shot.
Oh, take that shot? Yeah. My boy. Well, let's sit down, gang. You over there.
They really want me for real.
You gotta go next?
Yeah, man. Hey, man, say, man, it's Band Up Key.
You know, if you try to steal a
Follow me on Instagram at KII.AARA. I can't go with a couple already. I got my own a couple. Hey, I don't want nobody in the lineup. Ain't nothing wrong with them or nothing, but.
Who you want? We gonna follow you. Yo.
Y'all funny. Hey, so we got a
Oh, my boy DFG. Marvelous.
No, we not going to DFG.
Oh, my fault.
Hey, look though, look. We got a bad bitch. And we got a fine ass nigga. So what's up? Can I join or what? I'm in there.
You can't join it. You can't drop that ass, now.
Dropping that ass.
Drop that ass, now.
Hey, though, when I bend over this bitch,
Show.
I don't got to do all that.
Touch your toes. Type shit, I feel.
Yeah, the ass already been.
All the way. Both y'all accept me?
Yeah, we doing that.
Thumbs up, plus you talking about.
It's like he going with two of them things, you feel me? Let's do it. Come on. Find your match for me.
Man, what's good? It's Kizzo. We got one female in the
You
line.
got one female. Is you feeling her or not?
So, bitch. Hey, look. Bitch, I'm in that mode.
You in that mode?
I'm going for a steal.
You going for a steal?
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Where we going at?
Let's see.
We're going. Make sure you tell her drop that ass when you do it.
I got a question.
Make sure you tell Huh? He said he wants something wide.
He said he wants thickums.
Hey, is you?
We gonna call
Hey, look.
Hold on.
Is you
Before anybody say
Latino?
nothing- Hold on, wait. Before anybody say something, who was your match? Who? Oh shit! Here you go. Okay, boom. Stand by your shot. Hold on.
Look, no.
Hold on. We gonna see them. We gonna see them. Boom. They were match.
You walked the fuck up. I forgot where the fuck he was at.
Okay. Boom. Okay. So is you feeling my boy right here?
What you mean what it is?
Hold on.
Hold
on.
You
feel him? You feel him?
Come home with you?
You gotta see what you working with, boy.
Hold on. Wait. What?
360, please.
See what he working with? I gotta see what I'm working with. The fuck?
Hold on. Give up these scissors.
I got a lot to work with. For
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Everybody can't have it. It ain't for everybody.
Is you about to accept or decline though? Hold on. Wait. Is you about to accept or decline?
Who?
Him.
Respectfully decline.
So you about to
For now.
Tell me some middle. Fuck it.
Damn, can we get another 360?
Hold on. Wait.
Can we get one more?
Hold on. Wait. Let's see if she about to accept you though.
What about the crowd?
Hold on. Wait. Is you about to accept my boy? Him.
Nah.
I went for a
Damn,
friend.
gang. You about to go. Come on.
What's up? It's your girl _honey4. What's up? What's popping? I'm about to do a steal for y'all for real.
Alright.
A badass one. Come on. Let's go get to these hoes for real. Alright. Let me see. It's some bad bitches out here. Alright, it's some bad.
You know if you pick a nigga, a female, you gotta pick a nigga too.
I gotta pick a nigga too.
You don't have to. Hurry up, you got 10 seconds. 10. In her.
9. Uno. Dos. And a nigga. If I wear a strap, that count?
You need a nigga.
Let me stop. If I wear a strap, that count? Let me see.
The nigga gotta accept though.
My nigga ain't in here for real. So, at the moment,
You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
who got a job in here for real?
Everybody got a job.
401k.
401k.
For real. Putting in that bait for real.
Who give a fuck about no 401k? You ain't found nobody?
No, not no nigga.
She said beat nigga.
Listen, you out here. Come on. I ain't gonna lie.
You
funny.
You funny
for that. You funny for that. You gotta go hard though, cause you the last.
All right. It's back in time. Y'all fuck with me on the Instagram, man.
Yeah, make sure boy.
We got now. It's one I want for sure, but it's another one. But the other one come with 2. So goddamn, y'all come on.
Come on.
Can I get a shot? Come on. Take the shot.
And do it.
It's these 2 right here, but it's another one that's with them.
Damn.
And another one?
No. He ain't about to move.
I want all 3.
Hold on, wait. You stay right here. Hold on, where the third one at? Find the third. Let's see what.
Shit in the bathroom. Hold on, we gotta go get him.
I ain't gonna lie.
You got to come real quick.
I definitely want all 3 though. For sure.
We gotta see if you can accept it.
Oh yeah, that one right there. Yeah.
Okay, y'all line up right here.
Don't piss me off.
Line up right here. Come here.
Hold on, you too, baby.
Line up right here. Boom.
Let me see the line.
And I really pulled up by myself.
Listen, do all 3 of y'all accept him right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need a third, yeah.
Not you
you doing too much.
Man, don't do that. You're doing too much.
Yeah, bitch.
Sure.
My boy, you in that bitch off with a banger. Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Hey, listen. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Come over here with me real quick. Yeah, listen. Listen, I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? I just brought the state out, you feel me? I got my boy also with me. You feel me? I got my boy also with me. Got my co-host, you feel me? Lauren, where Lauren at? Lauren probably that slide. But listen. Man, come on, bro. Make sure you turn the post notification on. Make sure y'all motherfucking click that like, comment, subscribe. Nigga, this was a motherfucking ratchet ass video, as y'all can see. Listen. Hey, come back here though. Come back here. Hey, listen though. Bitch, I just dropped my jewels. Fuck, nigga. Hey. Oh, never mind. You got it. I just dropped my fucking jewels. You fuck niggas can't play with me.
Take them off.
Tell them. I don't even need them, twin. When you got racks like this, when you got fuck shit, tell them. You got fuck cheese motion. When you got fuck cheese motion, you feel me? You feel me? When you got fuck cheese motion, you ain't got to worry about that shit, nigga, bro. You feel me? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, nigga. We out, nigga. Yeah.